folks, welcome to Regular Guy DIY. Today we're going to install a ceiling fan to provide convenient and cost-effective comfort as well as reduce energy consumption. For other quick and easy projects, be sure to check out my video, 5 DIY projects to make life easier and save money. But wait till the end of the video to do that, okay? So, let's go! To keep up with my latest DIY projects, tips, and product reviews, mash that subscribe button now. And be sure to ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest content. We're going to be installing a 6-speed, 70-inch Harbor Breeze fan. If you're installing a different fan, there may be some obvious differences, but for the most part, a lot of the steps are very similar. Be sure to check your instructions just to make sure you don't miss out on anything. Not that I've ever done that. Let's get started.
The first step is to do a complete inventory of all fan parts. That way you avoid getting into a project only to discover something may be missing. The next step is to avoid electrical shock. No, not that kind. This kind. So be sure that you turn off your associated circuit breaker for the junction box that you're working on. Next, it was time to attach the blades to the blade brackets. Most fans come with 2 fan blade designs. Just pick the one that you like and make sure that it's facing down. Once that's done, then we can attach all of the blades to the fan motor. Next, carefully turn over the ceiling fan. Now we're going to begin installing all of the support brackets, starting with the down rod. We want to be sure to feed the electrical wires through each of these parts. Insert the down rod pin. This will hold the down rod and the fan securely in place. Then place the cotter pin through the hole at the end of the down rod pin. Then the canopy parts. These will cover the mounting bracket once the fan is fully installed. And last, the ceiling ball hanger and pin. This is what will hang inside the ceiling mount bracket. Now let's install the ceiling mount bracket. These 2 screws are going to be supporting the entire weight of your ceiling fan, so you want to make sure that they're snug. Okay, here we go. It's always a good idea to get some extra help and not do this as a one-person job. And it's a much better idea to move the electrical wires out of your way before you're at the top of the ladder with the ceiling fan in one hand. With power still secured, it's time to connect the green ground wires together, then connect your white common wires, and then your black hot lead. My apologies for the bad camera angle. It was a little challenging to get my fat head and the camera in there at the same time. Raise the canopy and insert the retaining screws on both sides. The quick connect electrical fittings on the light fixture made installation easy. Then it was just a matter of snugging down 3 screws. Then it was just a matter of popping the 2 LED light bulbs in place and twisting the light cover on.
Let's go turn the breaker on.
Now let's give it a test, starting with the light and then the fan. There are a few features that are unique to this Harbor Breeze fan that I want to point out. As you can see from the dial, there are 6 speeds. The button at the bottom with the 3 squiggly lines is a breeze mode that will allow the fan to turn at a slow speed and occasionally speeding up to simulate a breeze. The light button in the center turns the light on and off. There are also preset times for the fan to run for 2, 4, or 8 hours. The switch at the bottom allows you to shift between summer modes when the fan is blowing the air down in the center of the room and winter when the fan is circulating the air up in the center, bringing the warm air down the sides of the room. The blue home button on the left will turn the lights on and off at random times, simulating someone being home when you're away for an extended period of time. And finally, the blue timer button on the right will turn the lights off after 1 minute, allowing you to exit the room.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like what you saw, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the video performance on YouTube so others can see it too. If you have any questions or feedback about this video, please let me know below in the comments section, and let me know what kind of projects you'd like to see. I'm going to give a fist bump to my subscribers. If you're not one, hit that subscribe button now so you don't miss out on anything. And ring the bell so you get notifications as soon as new videos drop. Thanks again for watching Regular Guy DIY. You got this.